Any person who enjoys responsibility usually gets it. If someone pelts you with stones, do not quarrel with him. Try rather to raise yourself to such a height that the stone cannot reach you. Revenge is a dish that should be eaten cold. A man who climbs the peak foot by foot earns far more respect than the one who reaches there by a helicopter. A minute's success pays the failure of years, not in rewards but in the strength to strive. The blessing lies. If a rich man is proud of his wealth, he should not be praised until it is known how he employs it. Rich is one who is rich at heart. If you set the right example, you won't need to worry about the rules. Fall 9 times, rise 10. No great work has been done in the world without sacrifice. All that man has to do is to take care of these things: good thoughts, good word, and good deeds. The reward of a thing well done is to have done it. The treasure of time. Yesterday is but a dream, and tomorrow is only a vision. But today, well lived, makes every yesterday a dream of happiness, and every tomorrow a vision of hope. Science is the religion of the known, and religion is the science of the unknown. If you would keep a secret from an enemy, tell it not to a friend. Shun doing in secret what you would not do, not do openly. Happiness and misery are only in the senses. They cannot touch our real self. There is only one corner of the universe you can be certain of improving, and that's your own self. Speech is silver, silence is gold. What a good thought these are. I hope you are enjoying, and following this, you will feel so much happiness in yourself. Those who do not rely on themselves cannot rely on God also. The senses must be controlled if man is to live a purposeful life. Live your life each day as you would climb a mountain slowly, steadily, enjoying each passing moment. Blessed are those whose bodies get destroyed in the service of others. The best way to cheer yourself up is to try to cheer somebody else up. Keep your fears to yourself, but share your courage with others. Shared joy is double joy, and shared sorrow is half sorrow. Staying calm is the best way to take the wind out of an energy person's sail. To be simple in everything is efficiency. Man is never punished for his sin, but by his sin. An hour less sleep per day will add 5 years to your working life. We must not judge a man by what he has achieved, but by what amount of sincerity and self sacrifice he has achieved it. Three things matter in a speech: who says it, how he says it, and what he says. Of the three, the last matters the least. It takes 72 muscles to frown, only 14 to smile. Let us smile. To weep is folly, and to smile is wisdom. Solitude is the best opportunity for perfection. Any success which leaves a bad effect taste after taste is failure. So it takes 72 muscles to frown. So let us smile while using our 14. Thank you.